Hi, and welcome back to this introduction to payment provider services in iBooked. In this series of tutorials, you will learn how to use the payment services available through iBooked, together with our payment partner, Stripe. Once you have set up a payment service provider in iBooked portal, you can do much more than simply take payments from your clients when they book appointments. You will also have access to a range of tools that allow you to manage customer subscriptions, create subscription products and services, and accept online payments. To access these services, select Payment Provider Services from the main menu. Please note that this option will only appear once you have successfully configured your payment provider. If you need help setting up a payment provider account with Stripe, please watch the tutorial called How to Set Up a Payment Service Provider Account with Stripe in the Getting Started section of the iBooked support pages. iBooked provides a simple and easy-to-manage interface for working with Stripe's payment and subscription services. To use these features, you must first set up a payment service provider and select Stripe as your provider. The Payment Provider Services menu contains four main areas: subscriptions, checkout, products, and payment links. Let's take a brief look at each of these. Subscriptions. The subscriptions page allows you to view and manage customers who currently have an active subscription to a product or service you have created. Please note that this is different from the subscriptions page found under the billing menu. The billing subscriptions page is where you manage your own iBooked subscription. The Payment Provider Services subscriptions page is where you manage subscriptions offered to your customers. Products. The products page displays all the products and services that you want to offer to your customers. These can be used as subscription items or as individual one-off purchases. You can create new products and edit existing products from within iBooked. There are a limited number of options available for managing products here. For the full range of product management features, we recommend using the Stripe dashboard. Due to restrictions imposed by Stripe, you can only update the product name and description within iBooked. Once you have created your products and services, they can be offered for sale using the checkout service. Checkout. The checkout page allows you to add products and services to a shopping basket, ready for your customer to make a payment. You can also add one-off items directly during the checkout process. Stripe manages the complete payment process for you. This means you can combine different types of payments in a single transaction. You could add a subscription service and a one-off product. Stripe Checkout will automatically create the recurring subscription payment and process the one-off payment at the same time. Once all items have been added, select Continue to display the Stripe Checkout screen where your customer can enter their card details and complete payment. Please remember that the checkout screen is displayed on the device you are currently using. For this reason, it may be more convenient to complete the checkout process on a portable device that can be handed to your customer. Stripe processing fees apply to all payments taken. If you would prefer your customer to complete payment on their own device, or if you want to send a payment request by text message or email, then payment links may be a better option. Payment links. Payment links allow you to create reusable links to a Stripe checkout page that has already been configured with a specific product or service. These links can be activated or deactivated whenever required, but they cannot be deleted. The Payment Links page displays a list of all the links you have created. You can then send these links to customers whenever you need them to make a payment. Because payment links are reusable, they are best suited for products and services that you sell regularly without frequent changes. For example, a subscription plan such as an eye care plan or dental care plan. Payment links can be created from the checkout page by selecting the Create Payment Link option when adding items to the checkout. This completes our overview of payment provider services in iBooked. In the following tutorials, we will look at each of these areas in more detail, including how to create products, manage subscriptions, process payments, and create payment links.